Learn with Coach Princess.
Cha 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 Igbo kwenu hey kwezuono yeah, don't mind me. You're welcome to another exciting time with your favorite coach Princess Enyinna-Okoro from Kids Igbo Academy. Ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka asụsụ Igbo in a fun, interesting and engaging manner. Today we're out for something very exciting. We're going to see something very beautiful and it's just going to help us speak better Igbo. Okay, we're adding more words to our vocabulary and testing our knowledge. Okay? Before we talk about that, have you done those things we like? Have you liked? Have you shared? And have you subscribed to this channel? And it makes it very fun. Teaching in simple, easy ways. Okay, so like this video, share, subscribe if you're just joining this channel for the first time, and if you have family members and friends that need to actually participate and actually become a part of what we're doing here, I would like for you to send this video to them so that they can actually become your speaking partners. Okay, let's talk about what we're doing today. Today we're going to play a little game. It's more like a challenge. In this challenge, we're going to be showing you a couple of pictures and we expect you to try to name them in Asusu Igbo, and let's see how much of it you actually know. These are simple everyday words that will just help you test your knowledge and challenge you to actually become better. All right. Now, the rule of the game is that when I show you the picture, you have like 5 seconds to guess appropriately the correct name. And then if what you guessed was actually the answer I provided, then you score 1 point and then you keep it for yourself. I want you to practice this game with so much integrity. Don't try to cheat or deceive anybody because there is no need for it. And if you do so well in the game, I want you to be encouraged and celebrate yourself, but also remember that you still have a lot to learn. And if you didn't do so well in this challenge, just take it as a learning time, a learning opportunity. Don't even feel bad. Allow yourself to grow through this. Is that okay? Good job. Now, let's get into the challenge proper. All right, now let's begin. The first item I'm going to show you is this. What is this called? Nasusu Igbo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct name is Odum. Odum. That's the word for a lion. If you got it right, please clap for yourself. Number 2. What is this called? Nasusu Igbo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct name is Efere. Did you get it right? Yes, very good. Number 3. What is this called? Nasusu Igbo. Let's try. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Can you get it? The answer is Unere, banana. Okay, clap. Especially if you got it right. Oh, GCK. Now let's go to the next one. The next one says, what is this called? Nasusu Igbo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Okuko. Again, Okuko. And that's the word for a chicken. Excellent. Okay, now we go to the next question. What is this called? Nasusu Igbo. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Ocha. Again, Ocha, and it simply means white. That's Nasusu Igbo. Well done. Next, What is this called n'asụsụ Igbo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Azu. Did you get it right? Not Azu, it's Azu. Good. Okay, next one. What is this called n'asụsụ Igbo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Ewu. Again, Ewu. That's our goat. Meh, meh, goat. All right, next. What is this called n'asụsụ Igbo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Uhie. That's the word for red. We also have Obara Obara is also the word for red. We also have Meme is also the word for red. Which of them did you get? Did you get it right? Please, if you said any of these three, you have done well. Clap for yourself. All right, next. Let's go to the next one. What is this called n'asụsụ Igbo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Ngaji. Again, Ngaji. Again, Ngaji. Clap for yourself if you got it right. Good, 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 good. Very proud of you. Ozodiki Beya, and this will be the final challenge question. What is this called n'asụsụ Igbo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The correct answer is Aki Bekee. If you know you did it so well, let me know your score. You had 10 questions. Let me know if you got 5 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Be sincere, right? Not the one that somebody told you the answer. You did it by yourself. Put it right in the comment section. I have a gift for you. All right? I'm so, so proud of all of you and of your performance in this challenge today. Do not forget that the doors are open for summer classes. For those of you that like to learn as a group, that want to learn with other people, that want to be inspired by other people, or you want to inspire other people, this is the time for you to come in. Summer classes begin this month. If you are struggling or you're already starting your journey but you need further help, then you need to be in summer class. All right, we will help each other to actually learn Asụsụ Igbo better. You're having live classes, you're having this free ebook that I'm going to share. Talking about the free ebook, if you want access to the free ebook, just click the link in the description. There's a wait list because the book drops this week on the group. All you need to do is click the link, join the group, and when it is released, you will be the first to have access to it. Those of us that are coming for summer classes will also have access to this book, and you're going to use it for a couple of activities that we will need to do at home. So you're having a free ebook, you're having live classes, you're having a video library, you're having games and competitions, you're having so many things, right? Assessments and all of that. So why are you not yet in class? Why? What are you still waiting for? Just look at the details that you can see on your screen and just make the necessary move. Send a message immediately and let's get you enrolled right on time. I want you to be seated comfortably and encouraging everybody around you to also join. All right, that is so beautiful, and that's something I would like for you to do. This your favorite coach is already about to sign out. That's all for today. But don't worry, I'm going to see you next week, right? And I want you to continue speaking Igbo in the interim. Don't forget, na super Igbo.
with Coach Princess.